Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Livermore, local, and long-distance movers near me. The reliable movers at 3 Movers have a breadth of experience with moving customers locally and long distance. For more than 20 years, we have been offering a surplus of services ranging from packing to unpacking. You can depend on our movers to arrive right on schedule, ready to get to work on moving day. We want to be transparent with our customers, so we offer free quotes for our excellent, affordable services. Get 3 Movers to take care of your next move. You've sampled all the wines there is at the vineyards and are ready to head out of state or abroad. As exciting as it may be to get moving, it also comes with its challenges. Packing and finding a way to get your belongings to your new space is at the forefront of the issues you may be facing. 3 Movers will do the big road trip for you. Our movers will pack your valuables in protected packaging and keep them safe for you wherever you need to go. While you can probably keep the same job and stay near your family and friends, a local move still isn't easy. Even if your new home or office is a few doors down, you can't forgo packing and lifting your furniture out. We specialize in local moves. In just one day, you can be packed and unpacked in your new space. All we need is a few hours of your time, and then we'll be on our way. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Livermore Moving Business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.